Title: Introducing Google's PaLM-E, the future of AI software. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about. Google has recently unveiled its groundbreaking AI software known as PaLM-E, and in this video, we are going to take a deep dive into what it is, what it can do, and how it's going to revolutionize the world of artificial intelligence. So, stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Segment 1. What is PaLM-E? To kick things off, let's start with the basics. What exactly is PaLM-E? Well, PaLM-E stands for Personalized AI Language Model Enhanced. It's Google's latest innovation in the field of natural language processing and artificial intelligence. Segment 2. Key features. PaLM-E comes equipped with some remarkable features that set it apart from the rest. Here are a few highlights. 1. Multilingual support. PaLM-E can understand and generate text in multiple languages, making it a truly global AI solution. 2. Contextual understanding. It excels at understanding context, making conversations with it feel more natural and human-like. 3. Personalization. PaLM-E can be customized to better suit individual users' needs, making it an ideal tool for businesses and individuals alike. 4. Enhanced creativity. PaLM-E has been trained to be more creative, making it a valuable resource for content creators, writers, and artists. Segment 3. Real-world applications. Now, let's talk about how PaLM-E can be used in the real world. Its applications are virtually limitless. 1. Content creation. Content creators can use PaLM-E to generate ideas, outlines, and even complete articles or scripts. 2. Language translation. PaLM-E's multilingual capabilities make it a powerful tool for translation and cross-cultural communication. 3. Customer support. Businesses can employ PaLM-E for efficient and responsive customer support, thanks to its ability to understand and respond to inquiries. 4. Education. PaLM-E can be a valuable educational resource, assisting students with research, writing, and language learning. Segment 4. How to use PaLM-E. Wondering how you can start using PaLM-E? It's quite simple. 1. Access. You can access PaLM-E through Google's AI platform, and it's available for various platforms, including web applications and mobile devices. 2. Training. Customize PaLM-E by providing specific training data or instructions to tailor it to your unique needs. 3. Integration. PaLM-E can be integrated into various applications and services, making it accessible where you need it most. Segment 5. Future possibilities. As we look to the future, the potential of PaLM-E is truly exciting. Google is actively working on expanding its capabilities, improving its understanding of context, and making it even more accessible to users worldwide. Conclusion. In conclusion, PaLM-E is a game changer in the world of artificial intelligence. Its ability to understand, generate, and personalize content opens up new possibilities across industries. Whether you are a content creator, a business owner, or a student, PaLM-E has something to offer you. Stay tuned for more updates on this incredible AI software, and make sure to give it a try yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates.